everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Inimba from the 6th to the 10th of April 2026 on Monday. Uzolega digs for answers, risking everything she is trying to protect. Yanga benefits from her parents' war, but at what cost? Mawethu find himself trapped in a battle he cannot escape on Tuesday. Lazarus begins questioning the truth about his mother's death. Yanga crosses a line that could change everything. Mawethu chooses his future even if it cost him everything else on Wednesday. Uzolega and Mr. Ngukana draws dangerously close as she asks about the past, and their elegance stands to break many hearts. Yanga's mischievousness edges dangerous close to exposure. Mawethu finally steps into a long-awaited new life on Thursday. Mr. Ngukana is forced to confront the ghost he buried when they hunt him in a dangerous way. Yanga's rebellion pushes her parents to breaking point. A dangerous corporate war begins to take shape on Friday. While Zolega chooses to protect the family she loves, Azande drops a bomb that threatens to destroy the very same family. Uhlati noThumeka face a terrifying new reality about Uyanga. Zondo, Tech and Kusela Tech go to war. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.